Are you having issue on making your Twitter account private? Then this video is for you. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can make your Twitter account private. So let's get into the video. First, all you have to do is open Twitter. You'll be landing on your home page. Now you need to click on your profile on top left corner. Here you need to click on settings and privacy. Then again you have to click on privacy and safety. Then you have to tap on the very first option, audience and tagging. Here you'll get to see the option of protect your tweets. So in order to make your Twitter account private, all you have to do is enable this option. Once you enable this option, your Twitter account will be set to private. So let's check it out if your account is set to private or not. All you have to do is click on your profile. So you can see the icon of private beside your name. It says that your account is set to private. Well, this much for today, and this was a tutorial on how to make your Twitter account private. I hope this video was informative for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.